Hello and welcome to the first ever episode of Seacoast and Then Some, your monthly deep dive into the Maine and New Hampshire real estate markets. I'm Luke Morris, and I'm a realtor with the Masiella Group, helping people buy and sell homes along the seacoast. On this show, we're going to analyze data, give you firsthand experiences in the market, and provide valuable insights for wherever you are in your real estate journey. Make sure to subscribe to stay up to date with everything going on in the great states of Maine and New Hampshire. So without further ado, let's get into the stats for May 2023. In Maine, home prices increased 6.57% from May of 2022. That's a great jump. In May of last year, the median sale price for single-family homes was $350,000, and now, in May of 2023, it's $373,000. So that continues to go up, due in large part to the lack of inventory. And this is something that we're going to see in Maine, in New Hampshire, in many other states in the country. In fact, reports show a 20.08% decrease in closed sales from May of last year. So a lot less homes are selling for a lot higher price, which is pretty much par for the course in this area. Median days on market for single family homes is 7, which means that half the homes are selling in under 7 days and half the homes are selling in over 7 days. And the median price per square feet is $225. Now that's all for single family homes. When it comes to condos, the median sale price rose to $410,000, which is up 16.3% from May of last year. Only 163 closed sales of condos in May, which is down 10.4% from last year. So same dynamic there as the single family homes. Less inventory, less sales happening, and a higher sale price. Median days on market is pretty similar to single family homes. It's 6 as opposed to 7. And the median price per square foot is $336 per square foot. Now to go over the border and look at the New Hampshire numbers. You'll see similar trends, but the numbers are different, which is why we look at both. So the number of closed sales for single family homes in May 2023 dropped 22.93% from last year. Yet we only saw a 1.1% increase in the median sale price. Days on market is 26, but I believe New Hampshire uses the average and not the median for that stat. And when it comes to condos in New Hampshire, there was a 24.9% decrease in the number of sold units from May of this year to last year. And median sale price up 14.9%. That's a little bit closer to what we're used to right now. They're averaging 30 days on market, but the median days on market is probably a bit lower than that. So it's interesting that in the New Hampshire market, the single family homes aren't seeing that same kind of jump in median sale price, but they are still seeing the decline in the closed sales that are happening on both the condo and the single family home side. And what I take from that is that the median sale price in New Hampshire is quite a bit higher than in Maine. It's quite a bit higher for single family homes than it is for condos. So the interest rate increases that have happened, and we've been in the high 6s, low 7s for the past couple months now, probably affected the home sales and the prices of those home sales quite a bit more than in Maine here, where we saw a median sale price in the 370 range. Now, I don't think it's any surprise to anybody that interest rates and the increase in interest rates has caused some hesitancy in the market. However, listings that are still priced at market or a little bit more competitively are still receiving quite a bit of traction. We're still seeing many people come through open houses, multiple offers, and over asking offers. And just to give you that firsthand experience and perspective, I had 2 listings that came on the market in the past 2 months where we had opening weekend, open house. We had a significant amount of people through those open houses, and 60% of those groups on both homes, 60% of the groups made offers. I had another listing that came on the market, and first weekend, open house, tons of showings. Every single person, every single group that came through the open house made an offer. We got all of those properties under contract in 2 to 3 days. I've also had multiple buyer clients in the past few months that have put in offer after offer and competing against 10, 12, 15 offers in some cases. So it is still very competitive out there. It's important to be working with a realtor that's going to be able to advocate for your best interests and know how to navigate this complex market, whether you're on the listing side or the buying side. Because I'll tell you that there are still homes that are sitting on the market, and every day that sits, people start to think, what's going on with this? Can I get a deal on this? And it ends up shooting you in the foot to overprice your property, thinking that you're gonna have a lot of traction, you're gonna get it overbid and have a lot of offers. It doesn't always happen that way, especially now with interest rates where they are. people are less likely to even give your home a chance. Even if they have to go somewhere else and compete against 20 offers, they're gonna do that before they go into your overpriced listing. So you have to make sure that the agent you're working with can give you some really valuable insights on the market and what's going on so that you can price that property correctly and have a gangbusters first weekend. Now, as always, these are big picture stats. So just because home prices are up 6.57% doesn't mean that your house is up 6.57%. So if you have questions about your local market, your home specifically, or anything else that you heard in this video today, let's schedule a discovery call. You can find the link to do that in the description below or the banner up top. Again, I'm Luke Morris. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.